Yeah.
But I can't deny it. Same situations, I just don't fight it. Different mindset when I'm inside it. Things that used to get me off track don't hit me the same when they come back. I don't react, I just unpack what it is, then I move past that. I've been moving with a calmer gaze, less rush, more aware of pace. Every step got a different way, but I hold it in a different way. And I didn't notice when it began, just felt it in the way I stand. Now I look and understand, I'm not who I was back then. I see the change in me now, in the way I think it out. Every move I made now feels alive. I see the change in me now, less doubt, more ground. Every step I take now feels like mine. I remember how I used to move, always looking for a better view. Never satisfied with what I do, always chasing something new. Now I sit with what I got, see the value in the spot. Every moment I forgot, now I see it as a lot. I don't measure like before, don't compare it to the score. Every time I check the door, I'm not searching anymore. And it's different, I can feel it clear in the way I move through here. Every doubt that used to steer don't appear. I see the change in me now, in the way I think it out. Every move I make now feels alive. I see the change in me now, less doubt, more ground. Every step I take now feels like mine. Same world, new me. Same world. I don't need to prove this shit, I can feel it in the drip. Every time I face a cliff, I don't move the way I did, then I'm still growing, still aware. This ain't final, just repair, but I see it from here. I'm prepared. I see the change in me now, in the way I think it out. Every move I make now feels alive. Change. Still no. I don't doubt myself like before. Used to stand at the edge unsure. Every move felt like a war, with the voice I couldn't ignore. I would question every decision, double check every intuition. Every step felt like a risk, I might miss if I trust this. Now I move with a steadier pace, less noise in the inner space. Every thought I can face without trying to erase. And it's not that I know it all, I just don't feel that far. Every time I make a call, I stand in it. I don't doubt myself like before. Every step feel more secure. Every move got a different call. I can trust it. I don't doubt what I decide. I don't need to override it. Every step I take inside, oh, it's enough. I remember when they held me back. Every doubt would overlap, every plan I tried to map got erased before impact. I was waiting for a clearer sign, something I could define before I step out the line. Now I step without that line. I don't pause like I used to do, I don't freeze in the middle, view shit through. I confirm what I knew, and it's different how it feels now. Let's wait when I think it out. Every time I had a doubt, I move through it. I don't doubt myself like before. Every step feel more secure. Every move got a different call. I can trust. I don't doubt what I decide. I don't need to override every step I take inside. Hope's enough, no second guess. Just move. I don't need to get it right every time, every line. I just trust that what's inside guides me, and I'm still growing, still aware. This ain't perfect, but it's there, and that's more than what I had when I doubt it. I don't doubt myself like before. Every step feel more secure. Every move got a different call. I can trust, no doubt, move forward. I know what I'm doing now, no blur. Used to question every single turn. Now I see it for what it is. Not a guess, not a hope I learn. I've been moving with a clear roof. Every step got a different truth. Not from what I'm told to do, but from what I already knew. I don't need to hesitate. Every move I generate comes from something I relate to the path I create. And I'm steady in the way I stand, not reacting to demand. Every step I understand where I land. I know what I'm doing now. No doubt when I move around. Every step got a clear sound. I can trust. I know what I'm doing now. No need to figure out. Every move I'm in it now. That's enough. I remember when it felt unsure. Every move I double check before. Every time I reach the door, I step back, now explore. Now I stare without the pause. I don't wait it like before. Every time I felt the flaw, I adjusted, kept it raw. I don't need to see the end. I don't need it all to blend. Every step I recommend comes from where I've been, and it's clear in how I move. Not confused, not removed. Every path I choose, I approve. I know what I'm doing now. No doubt when I move around. Every step got a clearer sound. I can trust. I know what I'm doing now. No need to figure out. Every move I'm in it now. That's enough. No blur, 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 no blur. I don't need to oversell. I can feel it in myself. Every time I face a test, I respond, not regress. And now I'm still growing, still aware. This ain't final, but it's there. And I know from how I steer, I'm prepared. I know what I'm doing now. Ooh. No doubt when I move. I trust the process now, no rush. Used to chase what I couldn't touch. Every step felt like too much. Now I move and adjust. I've been seeing how it builds in layers. Now they jump more but set the stairs. Every moment that I stay aware, as to something that was barely there. I don't need a final view. I don't need to prove it through. Every time I follow through, I confirm what I knew. And I'm moving with a calmer pace. Not a race I gotta chase. Every time I hold my place, I create. I trust the process now, even when it don't show how. Every step I take now counts. I trust the process now, not depending on the outcome. Every move I make now builds. Yeah, I remember when I doubted steps, wanted more before I left. Every time I felt the stress, I would question what's next. Now I see it different clear. Every phase got me here. Every time I persevere, I expand. I don't skip what I don't see. I don't rush what I can't be. Every time I let it be, it aligns. And it's deeper than result. Not a win I can console. Every move I don't disrupt adds up. I trust the process now, even when it don't show how. Every step I take now counts. I trust the process now, not depending on the outcome. Every move I make now builds. No rush, just build. I don't need to force the climb. I don't need a perfect line. Every step I take in time defines, and I'm still here in the phase, not amazed, just engaged. Every move I generate holds weight. I trust the process now, even when it don't show how. Every step I take now counts. Trust it.